Hey there, creators! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the cutting-edge world of generative AI. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving deep into how you can start creating jaw-dropping content using generative AI tools, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. So, you've got your hands on some amazing generative AI models, and maybe even a cool digital chassis for your projects. But now comes the fun part, actually making something yours. Let's break it down step by step. If you're just starting out, no worries, you don't need to be a tech wizard to jump in. Paid services like MidJourney or Lensa are perfect for beginners. Just upload a few photos, tweak some settings, and boom, you've got yourself a gallery of stunning AI-generated artwork or hyper-realistic avatars. I actually tried this myself. I uploaded only 10 pictures of me, and let me tell you, seeing all those alternate versions of myself was mind-blowing. Super fun, right? But if you're more experienced or feeling adventurous, you can take things up a notch. Instead of relying on pre-built apps, why not dive into the code itself? Head over to GitHub, find your favorite generative AI model, and see if it's available as a ready-to-use notebook. And guess what? Even if it's not readily available, the generative AI community is filled with friendly folks who love helping others. Seriously, these people are awesome. Ask around, and someone will point you in the right direction. For programmers, the sky's the limit. You can grab the model code from GitHub and create your own custom notebook. Want proof? Let's fire up Google Colab and run a notebook called Deforum, which uses stable diffusion to generate fantasy landscapes. See that? This isn't just random output, it's your vision brought to life. With notebooks, you get full control over every detail. Tweak the prompts, adjust the settings, and watch your ideas transform into reality. Now, sure, you could stick with default outputs, but where's the fun in that? Notebooks give you endless possibilities to personalize your creations. Whether it's tweaking colors, adding textures, or experimenting with styles, the power is all yours. To recap, here's what we covered today. A model is basically a set of algorithms trained on specific data. Think of it as the brain behind the magic. A notebook is your tool for writing and running the code. It's where the action happens. A creative application is how you use the model, whether through apps like MidJourney or custom notebooks. And finally, the generated outcome is the masterpiece you produce after putting everything together. So, whether you're a newbie exploring generative AI for the first time or a seasoned pro looking to push boundaries, remember this: the future of creativity is here, and you are the artist. So go ahead, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share your creations with us in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating.